Welcome friends, welcome to my channel Naditya83. Today we will be learning field due to point charges. It is an important topic in electric field. We are going to solve the sum. It is a sum from H.C. Verma volume 2. It is saying that three identical charges, I have written the sum for you so that it's easier to do. Three identical charges has been placed at the sides of an equilateral triangle. Find the electric field at the center of the triangle. So what they have given, this is an equilateral triangle where all the sides are equal and equals to 20 centimeter. Three same charges, suppose let they be Q, Q and Q, has been placed at the three vertices of the triangle. We have to find the field, net field due to these charges at the center. So first let us name the triangle. Let the name be A, B, C and the center be P. So the field due to this charge at A at P will be like this. Suppose let it name as EA. We know the field due to a point charge is given by the formula E is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q by R square. This is the formula that we are going to use in solving this problem. For the charge at A, the field EA will be 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q by AP square. Similarly, the field for the charge at B will be like this EB. It will be EB equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q by BP square. And so the field at P due to the charge at C will be EC. That will be also same 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q by CP square. Now have a notice that the field are all directed outside because the charges are positive. We know that in an equilateral triangle AP equals to BP equals to CP, as P is centroid, so all the fields, that is EA, will be equals to EB and will be equals to EC. Let it be E. So we get a picture like this, that three equal vectors are separated each other by 120 degrees, and we have to find the net field of these three vectors E. Suppose, how do we sum up these three vectors? We will use the vector law of addition. Vector law of addition, we will add 2 at a time. First we will add this and this, we will find the resultant, and with the resultant we will add up this. So the resultant of this field and this field will be something like this ER. We can write ER equals to root over E square plus E square plus 2E into E cos of 120 degree, or we can write 2E square plus 2E square cos of 180 minus 60. So this becomes minus cos 60. So this equals to 2E square minus 2E square into half. So these two cancels. 2E square minus E square becomes root over E square, and which is equals to E. Therefore, we get the resultant ER equals to E. Notice very carefully. Now we are getting two vectors E and another vector E which are equal to each other and oppositely directed. Hence, resultant field is 0. Could you follow? We have done this sum in a very easy way. We have not gone into the coulomb and 20 centimeter. So always remember that whatever be the charge, whatever be the side of the triangle, if it is an equilateral triangle and all the charges are equal, the net field at center is equals to 0. Remember one thing, friends, that we can extend this sum for a regular polygon, of n sides also. From here we can say for a regular polygon of n sides, if charges are equal, field at center is equals to 0 if all charges at vertices are equal. We have extended this result for a regular polygon of n sides where the field at center will be 0 if all charges at vertices are equal. If we remember this thing, it will be very easier for us to do our CBSE boards, and not only for CBSE boards, we are practicing these sums from H.C. Verma so that we can appear and solving IIT problems, NEET and AIIMS. Thank you for watching my video. I will be coming up with more interesting problems on this electric field in my later videos. So please keep watching till then and do subscribe my channel. Have a very good evening. Till then, bye.